In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play practice mode in CS2. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up practice mode maps in CS2. You will be able to set them up privately for only you, or you can invite friends and you can do stuff like 1v1, 2v2, 3v3, and so on. So if you want to, go ahead and invite a friend. Just click on them here, send out an invite, and they will get a notification similar to this one. They can click play game to join the lobby, and once all of you who are going to be playing together are on the lobby, go over to play. And like I said, you can also do this alone. Now, if you want to practice, it's very important that you choose this option here. So between matchmaking, choose practice. You can also host workshop maps. Some workshop maps are designed to help you practice. So an example would be AIM maps. So I'm going to showcase one of them here. So I'm just going to go ahead and sort by most popular of all time and download AIM bots training. Now, if you just want to practice the standard maps, go over to practice, choose any mode available here, and you will be able to set up infinite warm-up, grenade camera if you want to practice grenade lineups, and so on. You can click go. Immediately upon clicking go under any map, you will load into the server by yourself or with whoever was on the party with you. If you notice that there are bots here, you can kick them by opening up the console and typing bot_kick, and now you will be able to practice here. If you turned on smoke lineups, you will get some nice view of the smokes, so you will be able to line them up and practice them as much as you want. Now, I'm going to leave the server because the next thing I want to showcase are going to be AIM maps. So if you went over to Workshop Maps and you downloaded one of these maps here, you can just load up into them and you will also be able to practice. So this is going to be another example. Just load into the AIM map that you downloaded and you will be able to set up the parameters to start practicing. I hope I was able to help you on how to play practice mode in CS2. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.